Welcome back to another new tutorial on demo content import of Blenco Creative Agency WordPress theme. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Appearance, then Theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, you need to go to select the exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. While done, then click on Activate and instantly you'll get several required plugins to begin installing plugins. So let's click on it and then select all the plugins together to install. Then click on Apply. While done, now go to the Return to Required Plugins installer and again select all of them to activate. Click on Apply. Now it's time to return to the dashboard. Then go to the Appearance, then Easy Demo Importer. And here it is. You'll get some predefined homepage layout to import. You can preview each layout and then select anyone what you like. So let's select anyone from it to import and then you'll get 4 steps to across before you proceed. So let's click on Continue. To configure your import, you'll get 2 options like Exclude Demo or Reset Existing Database. Select this one and click on Start Import. Now it's time to keep patience. And after a few seconds, your demo import is successfully done. Let's click on View Site. And here, this is our required Blenco Creative Agency WordPress theme, a modern feature-rich creative agency that's designed to help agencies, freelancers, and business showcase their work with elegance and impact. It is built entirely with Elementor and gives you a complete design freedom without writing a single line of code. You can get started with its beautifully created homepages layout and each tailored for different creative niches. Whether you are running a digital agency, design studio, or consulting firm, there's ready-made design waiting for you. Why do you choose Blenco? Blenco will impress you with its Elementor-powered conversion-focused design, lightweight and fast, web vitals, full responsiveness, and regular updates with new features and compatibility fixes. Blenco is combined with clean optimized code and your pages load fast. So without any delay, import this demo content right now. Thank you for watching this tutorial.